I am Michael Jacob, the Chief Information Officer at Northland Pioneer College. Welcome to our series of how-to guides on using Microsoft 365. Let's look at the foundations of Microsoft Excel. To navigate to Microsoft 365 Excel, you can start from office.com and select Excel on the left-hand side. Alternatively, if you are in another Microsoft application, you can find the app launcher in the top left of the screen. Click on that and select Excel. Also, if you are in OneDrive, you can go ahead and create an Excel workbook by clicking on Create or Upload and selecting Excel Workbook. Excel files are often referred to as spreadsheets or workbooks and generally contain one or more worksheets. You can switch between sheets using the tabs at the bottom. And to enter in data into a cell, simply click on the cell that you want to start entering data into and begin typing. You can simply copy data or use Excel to predict a list and generate the rest of the list by selecting the contents in multiple cells and clicking on this little panhandle or square in the bottom right and dragging down. If you want to undo an action that you had just completed, you can simply click on the undo button on the top left and it'll undo that action. Let's look at a basic formula. If I wanted to add these three numbers here, I could enter in a formula by typing the equal sign in a cell, the name of the function I want to use, selecting that function. As you can see, there's a description of how that function operates, and then select. You can also sort and filter your data by selecting the data you want to sort and filter, clicking on Data. You can sort by ascending or descending, a custom sort, and you can even filter data if you want certain data elements removed. You can turn your data into a table by going to the Insert tab, selecting the data ahead of time, clicking on Table, and converting it to a table. If you'd like to create a chart to represent your data, simply highlight the data and navigate to the Insert tab. And then you can select from the previewed charts here or select recommended chart. Click on one of the options. You can move the chart around to where you need it to go. If you want to share this document with others, like other Microsoft applications, you can click on the Share tab and share directly with individuals and send them a link, or copy the link and send it to them through your own means. That's Excel in a nutshell: data entry, formulas, tables, and simple charts. If you need assistance, please contact the IT Support Center.